Welcome to Exotic Spice. Let's cook! Today I will show you how to make chicken and veggie wrap. Here are the ingredients. For chicken mix, pour oil, then add garlic, chili, chicken, lemon juice, salt, pepper, and tandoori mix. Mix and cook for 2 to 5 minutes. Then add dry parsley and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes or until it's fully cooked. These are the ingredients you'll need for the chicken wrap. In a bowl, add chicken and sour cream, mayonnaise, mix until well blended. Take a tortilla wrap and spread cream cheese around the edge of the wrap. Then lay chicken in a line across the wrap. Sprinkle tomatoes, lettuce, and cheese. And fold the sides to prevent from spilling, and roll the wrap. For veggie wrap, spread cream cheese around the edge of the wrap. Then spread hummus, sprinkle green and red pepper, carrot, tomatoes, lettuce, and then cheese. Fold the sides of the wrap to prevent from spilling, and roll the wrap. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If there's anything in particular you'd like me to make, please leave a comment. Thank you for watching. See you next time.